Good morning, my dear friends. In this video, I want to give an introduction to education as a cultural process. Is education a cultural process? Definitely. Education can be considered as a cultural process as well. Because education has got different functions related to cultural aspects of a society. The aims of education is determined by looking at the socio-cultural factors of a particular society. So it has got many cultural functions such as preservation of culture or conservation of culture. As a part of preservation or conservation of culture, transmission of culture occurs. Then education has got the functions such as enculturation and acculturation. Enculturation is also a part of preservation of culture. Acculturation is a part of some changes in culture. And another cultural function of education is transformation of culture. There is a difference between transmission of culture and transformation of culture. You will see it later. I will discuss all these functions in detail in another video. Similarly, diffusion of culture is another cultural function of education or cultural process done by education. Then cultural fusion or fusion of culture is also a part of a function or functions of education, cultural functions of education. Similarly, bringing cultural pluralism in a society is also a part of cultural functions of education. And see, education is considered as a cultural process not only in the case of the cultural functions but also in the case of solving some cultural issues such as cultural conflict, cultural lack, and critical multiculturalism. I'll talk about all these things in another video. So this is an introduction for the topic education as a cultural process. Thank you very much.